lot of times one of the primary reasons that they do or that they would is they don't have the expertise in-house, right? That there's something that they're either a small firm or even bigger firms where they're missing a piece of the puzzle. For the smaller ones, it might be an entire engineering team that they don't have. For some of the larger ones, it may be that they have a team, but they're looking to either develop a product or add some enhancement to their product line that involves expertise and knowledge that they don't have in-house and might have difficulty bringing into house in some other way.
And I have found that we can also come in as a variable cost model, and that's true of even large corporations, where if they have a project that suddenly becomes prioritized and it's not budgeted for the fiscal year, they can use us as a variable cost model to come in and do that project, and at the end of the project we disappear. So it's not like they have to tax their existing resources, they don't have to hire new resources. They can bring us in to accomplish the goals and get them through that timeline. Well, we have decades of experience. We have a complete turnkey solution when it comes to IoT product development. And what I'm getting at there is we can take everything, we can take you from design into pipelining supply chain parts, and then we have test and certification, we get into prototyping, manufacturing. We even touch on failure analysis, and we can help you tremendously with BOM analysis and trying to understand what types of parts you're putting onto a board.
I was going to say, I would add to that the breadth of engineering knowledge that we have, at least across the disciplines. So we've got embedded firmware team, electronics hardware team, we have a mechanical engineering team, we have resources, lower cost resources in India that do layout, similar back-end services for us. We've got a breadth in the organization that spans quite a bit, and it's something that we can offer that really helps and sets us apart from a lot of competitors.
Within XTG, Connected Development is the only company under that family of specialists that's not a distribution, a component supplier. Our role is design services, as we're talking about, but in that role, we can pull all the entities under XTG together to try to populate components and parts onto a board to make sure the entire company is in lockstep and we're utilizing all the strengths of each of the different family of specialists. And this includes Braymac, RFMW, Changnam, TTI, Mauser, of course. It's a great story to tell, and it's a great asset that we have to be able to have access to that type of a supply chain. It really helps us understand how to design a BOM towards staying away from long lead times parts, staying away from obsolescence, staying away from issues that might cause somebody sourcing problems in the future. So it's a really nice asset that we have. As far as verticals go, we've done a lot historically in the medical field, and that has to do with remote patient monitoring, things of that nature, but we also get heavily into whether it be asset tracking, asset management, metering, utilities that spread across oil and gas, water, etc. HVAC. We've done a lot in first responder as well, body-worn cameras and things of that nature. We currently have a project that's just about to kick off with the drone company. We cross over to just about any IoT vertical that you could think of.